Namaskar. Welcome to Government E-Marketplace. Forward auction, creation and monitoring. Forward auctions are auctions which can be used by sellers to sell their items to many potential buyers. Items are commonly placed at an online auction site. Buyers can continuously bid for the items they are interested in. Eventually, the highest bidder wins the item. The secondary user registered as buyer on GeM will have to be auto-registered as an auctioneer onto the FA module. To access the forward auction module, auctioneer will need to first log in onto the GeM portal using the user ID and password. Post successful login, the buyer will be able to access the FA module. The link will redirect SSO login, the auctioneer, to the FA dashboard where he or she would be able to create their category, create auctions, configure auction parameters such as start price, increments, time extension, etc. To process forward auction, the auctioneer or secondary buyer will need to log in to GeM portal as a seller. Enter user ID, the CAPTCHA text and click submit to authenticate the user. Enter your password, click on submit to login. Click on forward auction and select auctioneer login from the drop-down. Post login. System will redirect users to forward auction website. Click forward auction, manage auction, create forward auction notice. Step 1. Create e-auction notice. Here are the steps for auction creation. Select your department name, authority officer, the category of auction and reference number if any to scroll down to update the remaining details. Enter auction brief here. Users can use this field to enter complete product details, that is quantity, lot details, unit category type, reserve price if any, or any other specific terms and conditions, etc. Enter project location and the same would be displayed to users on the home page. Select either open or limited. Enable provision for increment in multiple and provision for auto bid. Update EMD start and end date and time. Select auto time extension to limited or unlimited. System will take pre-decided time extension in case of last minute bid received. Upload mandatory documents if any. Select file and upload. Document uploaded successfully. Click next to complete the first step. Enter form name, price bid. Enter the number of columns and rows. Note, users can enter as many numbers as they would like to create the columns and rows in the bidding hall. Enter column header for every column like serial number, item description, quantity, unit, etc. Filled matrix for user to take reference. Scroll right to see further. Scroll down for further entries. Enter the material description, quantity, unit type and click submit. Create formula. Click here to go back for the next step or home page. Select field and create formula to command system to calculate the price in the bidding hall. Create formula for unit price in words. Click here to check if the formula is working or not. Save created formula if found OK. Create formula for total price. Click here to check if the formula is working or not. Save created formula if found OK. Both the formulas created successfully. Screen to check and proceed for next step. Saved formula. Auction dashboard view. Select government column on the basis system evaluates the H1 bidder price. Click here to create configure business rule. Click here to create governing column. Select unit price in figures and click submit. Click submit. Step 3. Configure business rule. Click here to create configure business rule. Fill the data as per requirement and click submit. Enter auction start date and end date here. Enter time extension, minutes here. Auction preview page. Enter remarks and click approve. Test bidding form. Click here to view or test bidding form. Auction will be live on its date and time. Accept or reject EMD payment request for bidders in form of bank guarantee. Click payment details. Click to accept or reject EMD. Accept or reject EMD payment request of bidders in form of bank guarantee. Verify EMD amount. Download payment receipt uploader by bidder and verify. Select accept or reject and click submit. Payment confirmation. Click OK to confirm. Payment confirmation. Bidders whose EMD receipt accepted by the department would be eligible to place their bid in the bidding hall. View accepted EMD details and verify. auction result, live auction monitoring, float marquee or MSG during live auction for bidders here. Stop auction if needed here. It can be resumed as and when required. During live auction entity, name won't be visible to officer. Rank 1 bidder price can be seen here. Reject any false bid received here. During the live auction monitoring, officer can check the evaluated amount as well as the number of bidders participating in e-auction. But department won't be able to view who is participating to protect the identity of bidders during the live auction. Once the auction time is finished, office will get to know the name of the winner and other participants. That can be seen in the next slide of this PPT. Auction dashboard for multiple MIS reports. Payment details post-auction. View result. Terms and conditions acceptance report. Generate intimation letter. Accept or reject END. Payment report can be viewed. Acceptance of terms and condition report. How many bidders have accepted the terms and condition can be viewed and downloaded. Auction result. After the auction closed, check item-wise H1 bid report here. View or generate intimation letter here. Item-wise leading bid report. System provides a complete evaluated report of H1 price, gain in figure, gain in percentage, etc. and the same can be downloaded for department perusal. Download report here. View or generate intimation letter on acceptance of H1 bid price. System will email intimation letter to H1 bidders. Here, department has the provision to accept or reject the H1 bid price post-auction. Department officer will get an option to select between accept or reject of H1 price and generate intimation letter to H1 bidder. MIS reports, auction gain report or auction gain details report can be viewed. Thank you.